Hey guys, nice to see you again. Let's start drawing. During my vacation last week, I drew this super cool moment that a bullet leaving a handgun from a hot anime boy. After a week's work, I realized it's actually very hard to draw. I use a free drawing app called Sketchbook. Its felt tip pen is a good brush to draw outlines. In the description, I posted 3 levels of tutorials of how to draw hot anime boys. They covered from how to outline, draw facial features, to shading. If you still find it's very hard to make the facial proportion right, then just take a screenshot of my drawing and trace. People may say tracing is cheating. I disagree. Why? Have you heard the great drawing method, which has been used by many Renaissance artists, such as Leonardo da Vinci, for hundreds of years? In a nutshell, the grid method involves drawing a grid over your reference photo, and then drawing a grid of equal ratio on your work surface. Then you draw the image on your canvas, focusing on one square at a time, until the entire image has been transferred. Nowadays, we no longer need to use the ancient grid method because we have more advanced tools. We can draw on iPad, and we have layers. The way I draw his eyes is different than the standard method I explained in the How to Draw Eyes intermediate tutorials in the description, which again prove that you can draw anything inside the eyes, as long as you do not forget the wet reflections at the end. The eyes that you draw should look good. My drawing process always contains 3 steps: creating outlines, filling base colors, and adding shadows and highlights. Now we are at the 3rd step to add shadings. Sometimes I use the soft eraser to blur the shading edges, either with size 5 or size 25. Depends on how much I want the spread of shadow gradients to be. Another method I normally use to avoid over-represent or exaggerate subtle forms is to reduce the shading opacity. Did you notice I made a mistake during the outline step? Right, his hair that hanging in front of the handgun will get burned when he shoots. The most difficult part of this drawing is the fire that coming out from the handgun. I used the flow airbrush to spray 5 shades of orange. If you find the color is not strong enough as what you would like it to be, then you can duplicate the layer to double its intensity. I also used the sparkle brush with its maximum size, which is 511, to add a glittering flash of light. For the cross-shaped shine, I used the felt tip pen with size 20 or 10. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. Don't forget to like the video or subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching. See you next time.